In this lesson, we're going to dive into the depth blur neural filter in Photoshop, a really powerful tool for creating natural-looking depth of field, background blur, and even atmospheric haze. If you've ever wanted to simulate a wide aperture lens blur after the fact, or separate your subject from the background with realistic depth, this filter makes that process much easier. In this image, we want to blur the background to bring more focus to the subject. In Photoshop, there are many ways to blur the background, but the easiest and fastest way is by using the neural filters. So let's open the neural filters panel and enable the depth blur filter. Instantly, Photoshop automatically blurs the background. However, you might notice some issues. For example, parts of the subject, like the legs, may appear a bit too blurry. To fix that, simply tick the Focus Subject option, and Photoshop will refocus on your main subject. Now the subject looks much better and stands out clearly from the background. Alternatively, you can define the focus area manually by clicking on the subject or any area you want to keep in focus. Let's explore a few more important settings here. Focal distance controls the depth of focus. If you increase it, the effect works in the opposite way, blurring the subject instead of the background. Focal range lets you adjust how wide or narrow the focus area is. Blur strength increases or decreases the intensity of the blur effect. Haze adds a soft atmospheric effect useful for creating a dreamy or cinematic feel. Temperature allows you to make the image warmer or cooler. Tint and saturation help you fine-tune the overall color tone and intensity. You can also add some grain. It increases a bit of background noise, which helps the image look more natural and less digitally perfect. Adjust these settings until you achieve a natural and pleasing result. Once you're happy with the look, click OK. Now, let's take a look at the before and after. You can see how beautifully the subject now pops from the background. If you want to reduce the blur in a specific area, you can easily refine it using a mask. Just enable the mask, select the brush tool, lower the opacity, and gently paint over the areas where you want to restore some detail. And that's it. The background looks beautifully blurred, the subject is in sharp focus, and the overall image looks natural and professional. Remember, even the best AI filter is a tool. Your creative judgment and final refinements make the difference between nice and professional. So go ahead, experiment. Use depth blur on portraits, product shots, scenic images. Try adding deep blur, strong haze, subtle separation. You'll discover a lot of creative possibilities.